Hi guys, so today I have a quick video for you guys. I know a couple of deliveries came in like during this time that they've been working on my roof and drywall and all those things, and I wasn't really paying attention to them, and apparently when I looked it up, it's an HSN auto ship, both of them, I think is what I have here. The Anna Griffin purse dies, which reminded me that I was going through some other things and putting stuff away, and I'm like, oh, I have never made the tutorial for this set of purse dies. This set, I was waiting for them to be on HSN, and they are there now. So it's the quilted luxury purse, right? That was the first one, and then this is the second auto ship, and it has taken a very long time for them to get like the extras. A lot of times they'll have extra auto ships on there. So this one is available, so I'll link in the description box. That will be an affiliate link, which means I'll make a small commission if you were to purchase items to those links if you would like to use it. I already showed it to you guys when it arrived, but it arrived a while ago, so I will definitely make a tutorial very soon. I will focus on this tomorrow because today I realized I messed up. Like, I was supposed to do some stuff for Tonic Studios and things arrived and I had to, anyway, it doesn't matter. I just focused on some other items, you know, right now that all this work was being done at the house and I only had so much time and I wasn't paying attention to the dates in the right way, so I was like, oh no. So today I was doing that. Dime Press will have a sneak peek of their items for HSN on Wednesday, I believe. This Wednesday, like in a couple days. So you guys can check that out. So I was working on those things also because obviously those are going to start releasing and I should have videos ready for them. So tomorrow I will focus on this though because I'm super excited to get to it and I wanted to play with this. I just was trying to wait until it was actually available for you guys to check out. So I will have a tutorial on that tomorrow. Now you're gonna have to hold me to it. One other thing right off the top here is Spellbinders restock their crafty, not the crafty advent, sorry, don't want to mislead. The 12 days of Stitchmas calendar is on their site again. So I don't know how many they have or what happened because it sold out for a couple days and now they have some stock on there. The crafty advent calendar is gone, like, or it's sold out. It doesn't mean it's gone because remember last time, like I said, they did bring some in a few months later. So hopefully they'll have some closer to December, if not November-ish. But I had a lot of fun with this series. I love these cards. I love the way they look all together. Miranda, if anything's missing, is because she took my box and she wanted to keep the angel too. So yeah, those things are gone. She was just, that's so pretty. And then she saw the box and anyway, she wants all of these, but she kept her absolute favorites, and so that's why there are less projects there. But it is back in stock on Spellbinders site, so I'll link in the description box. Yeah, today it was just kind of hectic because I was like trying to get this Tonic stuff, and funny enough, what clued me in, I'm like, oh, I messed up, is that they had sent out their email blast and this little guy was part of the email blast, and I'm like, how, what? So I hadn't even made the video for it, and usually I make their videos kind of a lot in advance, and it's just this cute little box, and I'm not going to show too much of it because, you know, that's for them to show, but you guys, it's a little cutie. It's a little cutie. Okay, so keep your eyes out for that one. So I'm gonna put that to the side. But again, sneak peek because they already showed it too. So keep an eye out for that, and hopefully you'll watch my video. It will be on my channel, but I don't know if it's gonna be in there, you know, kind of like advertisement stuff because a little late. So this is the luxury icon purse card from Anna Griffin. Oh, I was also gonna show you a little sneaky peek of some cards that I worked on. Here they are. There's some other items, but for Diamond Press, a couple of the sets that they put in the email blast, you'll see these guys, but look at this. And this is one set, guys. Comes together, so fun. Look at this. Oh my gosh, totally different, in my opinion, than the other ones. The sizing even looks, well, maybe it's the same. I don't know, but the purse itself is going to be about 5 inches deep or tall and about 5 1/4 in the other direction. This one has this cute little area. It looks like a leather finish or something cute, right? We have our little tag finally there. If that's the handle, that's the handle. It's very, very specific. The buckle, oh my goodness, and the little extra buckle there. And then, of course, to make your side gussets, to make it a card, to make it the base part, right? And I've shown you guys in the past how I've adapted both of these things to make different kinds of boxes. Now that having said that, I'm like, did I remake the other video? No, I didn't. Yeah. I don't think I did. But there's some inspo. This looks like they put some kind of like card stuff to it because it is a card. And then this is gorgeous. I love that. I love that accent piece. I love that we finally got our little tag that you can hopefully mix and match, I would assume. I don't know, because this one's a very skinny handle where the other ones are a little bit bulkier at the base, but maybe. Or maybe you can even just give it a cut, right, to get it on there and then glue it if in case it's too bulky at the ends. This is what I mean. See how big that is, how wide that is, and this is a lot smaller. So it's quite possible that this won't slip on there, but you can cut that in the back so you don't see it. And then when you glue it down, no one knows that it was cut, you know, and you can still stick it to one of these parts. I don't know. So very cool. So this is going to be a very quick video. That's all I wanted to say and show you a couple of little things. Yeah, I can't believe I messed that up. I am on top of things for the most part. And that's probably why these companies continue to work with me. But I was like, oh no, I totally blew past that deadline. But that's okay. It'll be fine. Holiday cheer large sentiment dies? What? Oh, okay. Hold on. This is not what I was expecting. So I think I still have another package then. An auto ship. Let me see what this... So I think, unless I'm mistaken, I probably did not receive these for review. Is that what happened? And then I just picked them up myself? This feels odd. It's because most of the time they send most of the items. I feel like I didn't receive these. So it is the large sentiment dies holiday cheer, unless, and this is possible, because right now I'm telling you guys the days have like mushed together. I don't even know what's going on anymore. That I had these, but they have an auto ship, and I want the other auto ships, and that's what happens a lot of times. And I usually don't open them because I'll sell this because, you know, I don't sell the ones I get for review. Never ever. I get a lot of emails from people, several weekly, and they're like, oh, I really want this set. Do you still have it? Can I buy it? And they're like, if I get something for review, I don't sell it because I feel like that's not cool. I don't know. That's just me. But when I pick up an auto ship, even though I already have it, I'll sell this one, you know? So usually I just don't even open it, but I open this one. So, oh well. The other auto ship I'm supposed to have is the Crafter's Companion Confetti Border. Let me go look and see if I have it. It must have been here, or maybe it's in my mailbox, but I'll be right back. Interesting. I went to the mailbox, and also just the mail. It's, you know, you bring in your mail, and I don't see it anywhere. So it might have been something I already showed you guys. Now I think about it, I have to go look at the dates. Anyway, I know I had 2 HSN packages, so I looked on my HSN like account, and the last 2 things that were delivered were those things, but maybe it was delivered. And I already showed it. I don't know. You guys, it's been crazy here. All right, so onward and upward, I think. So, yeah. Definitely keep an eye out for the other tutorial. Please keep an eye out for any other tutorials I post. I know I was Spellbinders heavy, and that just happens. You know, they put out a lot of fun new collections, and I'm focusing on die and press, and I'm doing, you know, tonic here and there. And like I said, I didn't receive the tonic craft kit for this last month, and it was a cute little like wild set with like little animals and things. You know, just so happened they didn't have enough samples, so it's fine. Like, I just didn't have to show you guys. I'm sorry about that. But keep an eye out, you know. Things are always changing and evolving and moving, and I appreciate you guys watching and being here and all the comments. Even if I haven't responded recently, I'm telling you, I try, but ooh, it has been crazy here. Crazy. So hopefully this will be the end of that. And I'll just have more time to focus and have fun. All right, guys. I'll see you at the next one. Bye now.